On the road again. Just can't wait to get on the road again. I can't wait to get on the road again. Yep, I'm on the road again. Or more correctly, was on the road, riding Tappin Tops National Park. Even Willie Nelson would approve of this great place. He'd be slapping his chaps, playing his guitar, and thinking up some beautiful song about a lonely rancher and his favourite moo cow. Now that definitely be one raw hide. To get into the park, we're heading north along Bulga Road with a first stop at Ellenborough Falls. Bulga Road goes from a fun little bitumen road to a simple dirt road. Something Willie would have loved to have been galloping down in his younger days. It's worth a quick stop to check out Ellenborough Falls. At 200 metres, it's the tallest single drop waterfall in New South Wales. You can walk some 600 steps down to the bottom, but then again, you could also eat more salads and legumes and less Mickey D's, but that ain't happening, so may as well jump back on your bike, twist that throttle and get into Tappin Tops National Park sooner. So that's what we did. Yeehaw, says Willie. There are plenty of trails and lookouts to explore in the park. From the falls, we're heading to Blue Knob Lookout, riding along Doyles River, Blue Knob and Notting Bull roads. It's nice and easy cruising through the park. With a few Willie songs playing in the headset, it's just perfect. I Am the Forest was just spot on for riding these trails. And I tell ya, it was some wild coincidence that his song Cowboys Are Frequently, Secretly Fond of Each Other, an ode to gay cowboys, came over the headset as we approached Blue Knob Lookout. Never a truer word has been said by Willie than when he sang, "A small town don't like it when a cowboy has feelings for men." You said it, Willie. Perfect name for that song. We listened to Cowboys Are Frequently, Secretly Fond of Each Other on repeat while we were mounted on the Blue Knob. Sounds a little uncomfortable, but not as uncomfortable as blue balls, especially after being in the saddle for 6 days. Apparently mounting Blue Knob is also a not-so-secret church activity amongst Catholic priests in Ballarat. Sad but true. But I digress. Eventually we found ourselves avoiding eye contact and running out of things to say. So after a few manly jokes, friendly punches to the arm, and stories about girls we've shagged, we headed south through the park, knowing our manhood and heterosexual status had been fully restored. Fair to say we took Willie Nelson off the playlist for the rest of the ride though. The main trail down the guts of Tappin Tops is Notting Bull Road. In place of Willie Nelson, we needed music to raise our testosterone levels and make us feel like hard as nails, hairy-chested males, alpha males built in the Hemingway image, men on African safari taking down big game, or deep-sea marlin fishing, or smoking some big fat stogie with Che Guevara and Castro, if the men were alive. Unfortunately, I'd accidentally copied my partner's playlist to our headsets, so it was a choice between Tay-Tay and Celine Dion. It's fair to say my Heart Will Go On didn't quite have the desired effect as we rode along Notting Bull Road. Ride Notting Bull Road long enough and you'll hit Dingo Tops Campground, but apply the brakes early enough and rather than hit it, you'll ride safely into the area. Probably a nice area to camp and do a bit of exploring. I don't mean exploring your feelings or getting in touch with your inner self. I mean plenty of tracks and places around here to go bush bashing on while trying to block out the chorus to Cowboys Are Frequently, Secretly Fond of Each Other and My Heart Will Go On. They're like bloody earworms when they get in there. Stay on Notting Bull Road and it keeps going south and will take you out of Tappin Tops National Park. Plenty of exploring to do in the park and its surrounds. Just be careful with the playlist you take with you and you'll have a great time. As usual, thanks for watching, remember to like and subscribe, and until next time, stay safe and wear a helmet!